Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3x squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So we put number 4 gone here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. And now we have like this. Next, about u, that is about this one. So number 3 and number 5 we have 15. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.